Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have discussed how can we convert a binary number into a decimal and a decimal number into binary. Today, we will continue that session and we will learn some more conversion. So, our first conversion is binary to octal. Okay, let us suppose our question is one one 0 0 1 1, and I have to convert this into octal. Okay, so to convert any binary number to octal, we will make pair of 3. We will make pair of 3 from right to left. Okay, so this is the pair 1 and this is the pair 2. I will make pair of 3 numbers from right to left. Okay, now after that we convert that into a decimal number. How can we convert 1 2 4 1 2 4? First pair is 0 1 1 and second pair is 1 1 0. Then this is 3, this is 4 and 2 6. So the answer is 63. So this is how we can convert a binary number into octal. Let's discuss one more example. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, now again what we will do, we will make pair from right to left. This is pair 1 and this is pair 2. Now students, see, here is only 1. So what we will do, we will add 2 0 in front of that 1 and we will make pair of this. Okay, now what we will do, we will convert all these pair into decimal. Then first pair is 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 1. So this is 4 and 2 6, this is 4 and 1 5, this is 1. So what will be the answer? 1 5 6. Okay, now we will discuss the one more example. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is our example. Now we will add 1 here and 1 here. Okay, this is our example, and now we will make pair. This is our pair 1, this is our pair 2, this is our pair 3. Okay, now what we will do, we will convert 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 and 4. Okay, now this is 1, this is 2 and 1 3, this is 4 and 2 6 or 1 7. So this is the 7. So this is the octal number. So this is how we can convert any binary number into octal. Now next we will learn how can we convert any octal number into binary. How can we convert any octal number into binary? Okay, now let us suppose our number is 3 and 4. This is the octal number and I have to convert this number into binary. Okay, now what I will do, I will take 3 here, I will take 4 here. Now I have to make binary of this number. How can we make binary? Again we will write 4 to 1 code, 4 to 1. Okay, now if I want to make 4, what will I do? I will write 1, then 0, 0. And if I want to make 3, then 2 and 1 is 3. This is that. Okay, so our answer will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is the binary for 34. Okay. Now let's check another example. Another example is 2, 3, 5. And if I have to convert it, then what I will do, I will just take 2, then 3, then 5. Again I will write 4 to 1 code for this. 4 to 1 I write. Now what will be the binary for 5? 4 and 1 is makes 5. I want to make 3, then 0, 1, 1. And if I want to make 2, that I write 0, 1, 0. Okay, so what will be the result answer? 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is our binary. Okay, so this is how we can convert any octal number into binary number. Now our next conversion is binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so for converting a binary number to a hexadecimal number, now we will make pair of 4. In octal we make pair of 3, and in hexadecimal we will make pair of 4. And how can we make a pair of 4? 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, according to that I will make the pair of 4. Okay, now I am converting a binary number into hexadecimal, and my number is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now what I have to do now? I will make a pair of 4 from right to left. This is pair 1 and this is pair 2. Again here there are 3 numbers, so I will add 0 at the front and I will make that pair. Okay, now how can I convert that number into decimal? Again I will write 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Now number is 0, 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, if I convert that 4 to 6 and then 7, and this 4 and 2, 6. So this is 67 base 16. Okay, now our next question is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And I have to convert this number into decimal. Okay, now again I will make pair of 4. This is pair 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pair 2 and this 0 is a waste. If you consider, you can add 4 0 also, but it remains 0. Now next what I will do, I will again write 8421 code, 8421 code, and it is the 0. Okay, now 1100, 1110, and this is a 0. And if you see here, what is this? 8 and 2 or 4, 12, and 8 plus 4, 12, and 13, 14. So it is coming 14 and 12. Okay, but student, this is wrong. Why? Because I have already told you in hexadecimal, if 10 come, I will replace it by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, and 15 by F. So here our answer is 14, 12. So I cannot write 14. I cannot write 12. I will replace 12 by C. I will replace 14 by E. So what will be the correct answer? EC 16. Okay, now finally one more question I will solve. It is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, now again for it I will make the pair of 4. This is pair 1, this is pair 2, and this is pair 3. Okay, now this is 8 4 2 1, 8 4 2 1. This is 8 4 2 1. Now what will be the result when I convert? 8 and 2 10, 8 plus 4 12, and 8 plus 2 10 and 11. So again I cannot write all these numbers. So what will I do? I will write B in place of 11, and I will write C in place of 12. I will write A in place of 10. So what will be the answer of that conversion? ACB 16. Okay, so this is the answer. Now what I will do, I will convert a hexadecimal number into a binary number. Okay, so let us suppose my question is A5 16 and I have to convert it into binary. Again same procedure will be followed, but here I will make pair of 4. Okay, now this is A and this is 5. Again I will write 8 4 2 1 here, and again I will write 8 4 2 1 here. And I know now what is the meaning of A? A is representing 10. Okay, so in that I have to make 5. And how can I make 5? 4 and 1 is 5. Okay, so rest all digit will be 0. Now I have to make 10. How can I make 10? 8 and 2 will make 10. Rest all digit is 0. So what will be the answer? 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. It is the binary of that question. Now my second question is C 2C 9. 2C 9. Okay, I have to convert that into binary. Again 2C 9. Okay, now what is the meaning of C? C belongs to 12. Again 8421 code, 8421 code, and 8421 code. Okay, so I have to make 2, then it is very simple, 0 0 1 0. If I make to 12, 8 plus 4 makes 12. The rest all will be 0. I have to make 9, then 8 and 1 makes 9. So 1 1, rest all will be 0. So what will be the answer of that question? 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this will be the answer of that conversion. Okay, at the last, finally I will solve one more question. F A 16 and I have to convert into binary. Okay, so F and A. F means 15 and A means 10. Then 8 4 2 1, again 8 4 2 1. Okay, now what I will do now, I have to make 15, then 8, then 4 12, then 2, 13, 14 and 15. Then all digit will be required. Okay. Now I have to make 10, then 8 plus 2 makes 10. Then rest all digit will be 0. So what will be the answer? 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. It is the binary of that conversion. Okay. So now students, I will give you some homework and you have to solve it. You have to convert FBA16 into binary and 742 into binary and 1010111101. This is a binary and you have to convert into hexadecimal and into octal as well. And the final question is 101101101111. Again, this is the binary and you have to convert into octal as well as hexadecimal. Okay, so note your homework. You have to solve these questions and you have to give solution. You have to give answer to me as well. Thank you students and keep learning.